Well, at least they fixed the outside.
Yes.
Yeah, 'cause last time I was here, we were getting a bad draft, remember?
Yes, because they didn't do something right as usual. You know how that goes.
They did the siding and they didn't put the hood on properly, and
Yes,
and the wind was blowing the flipping pilot out.
Yes, and it was windy that day, of course.
So they came back and they fixed that. They fixed the hood on it. They said they did, but
Yes, they did.
was it working since then?
Oh yes, it
Okay.
worked all last winter.
Well, that's good. I think I changed the thermocouple last time I was here.
I don't know if you got that far. Whatever.
Well, as long as it works. Oh, look at this shit, man. It's a little crusty. I'm getting crusty myself.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I'm 79 years old. I can't even believe it when I say it.
79, that's not so bad.
I don't know. Well, I guess not. I'm here.
Could be 89.
That's true. That's true.
So look at the bright side of things here, right?
That's right. I do. Another year? It's okay.
I remember last time. I remember I could feel the flipping wind blowing right through it, but you said they got it. You said they fixed it. So.
Yes, and it's worked until it was shut off by her husband.
Yeah, well, he must have shut it off because he didn't want to pay the gas.
Well, he wasn't here. He did separate it anyway. They're getting a divorce, but
There wasn't that fun.
I guess. I don't know.
I did that. Been there, done that.
I did that too, 100 years ago.
We'll see if it lights.
We hope.
They got the gas on here?
Well, nothing was shut off that I know of.
Don't look like the gas is on.
Is it?
Why don't you check the stove? See if the stove lights. You know, they're going for a divorce, so maybe he's not paying the bill.
Oh no, I pay all the bills. He has nothing to do with the property. Yeah, the stove's working.
Yeah, here it goes.
Oh, okay.
I just gotta get a little bit of air
No,
out of it,
I pay all the
think.
bills. He's long gone. Who needs men anyway?
Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Think they'll listen?
I don't know. Nobody else
It's
does.
barely,
Nobody else does.
barely hitting it. Yeah, before they did the siding on the outside and they didn't set the, I like to bend that hood down more. See if it stays on. Alright, staying on. So that's good. That's staying on.
Good.
You know how they make shit nowadays.
Yes, that is so
Ain't worth
true.
a shit.
Nothing lasts.
Ain't got the truth.
You want me to hold that light there?
Not really.
Okay. Yeah, she was a little chilly last night, she said.
Yeah, it was down to what, 30,
I don't know. See,
30 33, 34, something like
I
that.
said it's supposed to get up to 60 today. Probably not too far from that, is it?
Not too bad.
Yeah. I didn't put my heat on downstairs, so.
You haven't?
Nope. I mean, I got a gas furnace for downstairs. This is the only one that's got one of these here.
Now, how do you turn this thing on? Is there a switch or on the wall or a thermostat or something? Or is it built in here? It's gotta be on the wall somewhere. We'll turn this to on. We're all top here.
Yeah. I mean, a round thing.
It's still lit. Is that off? Yeah, I shut it off. I'm done. I turned it the wrong way.
Well, you're not used to something that you have.
I turned it the wrong way. I shut the pilot off. And the button's on the bottom there, so we gotta turn this way to turn it on. There it goes. Then we got a high and low here.
Yep, you can leave it on. Well, you can.
You want me to leave it on low? It did fire. It did fire up.
Yep, you can leave it on whatever. High to get it going, whatever works.
It's a nice unit. Thing is, it's up here on the 3rd floor, so you really can't get to that hood on the outside so easy.
Yeah.
There's no roof here or something. They had to use a tall ladder, right?
Yeah, and then he came. Yeah, yep. And I had more aluminum siding placed on the other side. We had that bad storm months ago. It blew off some.
Yeah, they did the siding, and they didn't extend the hood piece out. They just put the hood on there,
Yeah,
and then there was a big gap between the hood and the siding and the piece.
Yeah, I remember you saying that.
So
Yeah.
what was happening is when it got windy, it would just blow right in.
Yeah.
It's going to be all connected.
Yeah.
That extension's
Well,
going to be out.
The guys they had work from, not that I have any against people that can't speak English or anything, but they were from another country, probably doing the best they could. And, you know, every time the guy came to do something else, it's different guys, so I guess it speaks for itself, but.
They might have thought it was Taco Tuesday or something.
Yeah. Tacos. Hey.
Taco Tuesday.
Yeah, that's not my thing, tacos.
No.
Unless I make it at home myself.
All right, so this back up and running.
I appreciate it. Let me go get my checkbook. How much money would you like? I gotta figure it out. So it's still going?
Yeah, it's still going. Nice and warm. I got it on low and it's warming up because
Okay, that's good.
you know.
Yep, that's good.
Just make sure it's still on.
That's
Pilot's still on. I got it all the way on low. So it is a little chilly in here.
You can put it a little high if you want.
Well, you know,
I can lower it down in a little bit.
I'll leave it on 2 for now.
Okay.
I mean, I don't want it too hot. I don't know if the thing's gonna. You're saying it's been regulating fine, right?
Yes.
So let's not overthink it.
Yeah.
We don't want to reinvent the wheel here, do we?
No. I got enough wheels going on.
Got enough problems, right?
Want me to pull out your plug over here?
All right.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't want to touch something there. I wasn't supposed to.
Just put that on the floor, pull it on this one.
Let me go get the checkbook. You
Yeah,
know?
I mean, I gotta go get you a slip anyway.
Okay. All right.
You want a slip or you don't want a slip?
Oh yes, I want to slip.
All right. Well, I gotta go out to the truck and get the slip anyway.
And do
then
your
I'll
thing,
come up.
'cause I gotta
Then
pay.
I'll come up to the 2nd floor. That you. Unless
No,
you
you
want.
don't have to. I'll meet you outside and I can
All
write
right.
the check outside
That's
so you don't
fine.
have to climb any more stairs.
That's good.
I don't. Yeah.
It's flipping 3rd floor. It's way up.
You know, like I